As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the need for strong cybersecurity measures is more important than ever before. In today's digital age, cyber threats can come from anywhere, and the consequences of a breach can be devastating. But what exactly is cybersecurity and why is it so crucial? Cybersecurity refers to the measures taken to protect computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, theft, or damage. With the rise of the Internet and the proliferation of digital devices, cyber attacks have become more sophisticated and more frequent. From phishing scams and malware infections to data breaches and ransomware attacks, the threats to our online security are numerous and constantly evolving. So how can you protect yourself online? The first step is to be aware of the risks and to take proactive measures to safeguard your digital life. This means using strong passwords, regularly updating your software and security settings, and avoiding suspicious emails, links, and downloads. But even the most vigilant online user can fall victim to a cyber attack. That's why it's also important to have a backup plan in case of a breach. This might include regularly backing up your data, using encryption tools to protect sensitive information, and having a plan in place for reporting and responding to cyber incidents. Ultimately, the key to effective cybersecurity is to be proactive, vigilant, and informed. By taking the necessary steps to protect yourself online, you can help safeguard your personal information, financial assets, and digital identity from cyber threats. Learn how to protect yourself online with this comprehensive guide on cybersecurity. From common threats to practical solutions, this video covers everything you need to know to keep your personal information safe and secure. Don't miss out on these essential tips and subscribe for more informative videos on technology and security. So, what are some of the most common cybersecurity threats and how can you protect yourself from them? Let's start with phishing scams. These are fraudulent emails or messages that attempt to trick you into divulging your personal information or clicking on a malicious link. Malware is a common threat, which refers to any type of malicious software that can infect your devices and steal your data. Malware can take many forms, from viruses and trojans to spyware and ransomware. To protect yourself from malware, make sure to only download software and apps from reputable sources, and be cautious when opening files or attachments from unknown senders. Regularly scanning your devices for malware and keeping your software updated can also help prevent infections. In addition to these threats, there are also concerns around privacy and data protection. With so much of our personal information being shared online, it's important to be mindful of how that data is being used and who has access to it. To protect your privacy, consider using a VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your internet traffic and mask your IP address. You should also review the privacy settings on your social media accounts and limit the amount of personal information you share publicly. Ultimately, the key to effective cybersecurity is to stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay proactive. By taking the time to educate yourself on the risks and implementing best practices for online safety, you can greatly reduce your risk of falling victim to a cyber attack. Remember, the internet can be a powerful tool for communication, education, and entertainment, but it can also be a dangerous place if you're not careful. Stay safe out there. Protect sensitive information. One of the most important benefits of cybersecurity is that it helps protect sensitive information from cyber threats. Cyber threats such as hacking, phishing, and malware can compromise personal and confidential information, leading to identity theft, financial loss, and other negative consequences. Strong cybersecurity measures can help prevent these threats and ensure that sensitive information is kept secure. Ensures business continuity. Cybersecurity is essential for ensuring business continuity. Cyber attacks can disrupt business operations, causing downtime, loss of productivity, and financial losses. By implementing strong cybersecurity measures, businesses can minimize the risk of cyber attacks and ensure that their operations continue uninterrupted. Protects reputation. Cyber attacks can damage a business's reputation, resulting in loss of trust and credibility among customers and stakeholders. By implementing strong cybersecurity measures, businesses can protect their reputation and maintain the trust of their customers. Increases competitiveness. Strong cybersecurity measures can give businesses a competitive advantage. By demonstrating a commitment to protecting customer data and ensuring a secure online experience, businesses can attract and retain customers who value cybersecurity and privacy. Supports innovation. Cybersecurity is essential for supporting innovation in today's digital age. With strong cybersecurity measures in place, businesses can safely explore new technologies and digital solutions without fear of cyber threats or data breaches. Here are some of the best cybersecurity tools that you should consider using. 1. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is an essential cybersecurity tool that helps protect your computer from malware, viruses, and other malicious software. Some of the most popular antivirus software include Norton, Kaspersky, and McAfee. 2. Firewall. A firewall is a network security tool that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. It acts as a barrier between your computer and the internet, protecting your computer from unauthorized access. Some of the most popular firewalls include ZoneAlarm, Komodo, and Norton. 3. Virtual Private Network, VPN. A VPN is a tool that encrypts your internet connection and tunnels it through a private server, masking your IP address and protecting your online privacy. Some of the most popular VPNs include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and CyberGhost. 4. Password managers. A password manager is a tool that helps you generate and store strong passwords for your online accounts. It also helps you keep track of your passwords and ensures that you're using unique passwords for each account. Some of the most popular password managers include LastPass, 1Password, and Dashlane. 5. Two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is an additional layer of security that requires you to provide two forms of identification to access your online accounts. This can be in the form of a password and a fingerprint, or a password and a one-time code sent to your phone. Many online services, such as Google and Facebook, offer 2FA as an option. Thanks for watching this video on cybersecurity. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe for more informative videos on technology and security. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. Stay safe and we'll see you in the next one.